Hi guys, welcome back to RafthelsaVlogs. This is me right here in the commercial area of the Black Forest in Schwarzwald, Germany. It's weekend time, so it's time for shopping. Gala-gala. So this is the commercial area here in Schwarzwald. This area is called Schwarzwald City of the Black Forest. So it's already Saturday afternoon, so the shops are already closed until 2 o'clock only. So nobody is shopping now. It's closing time except the market. So I will show you the name of the city, guys. This is Schwarzwald. Look at this. Schwarzwald. So yung sa harapan, ayan ang municipality of Schwarzwald here. So this is the commercial area. So I am just walking around here to stroll around, just an exercise. So let's take a look the beauty of the Black Forest. Dito lang ako naggala-gala, guys. If during the weekend I'm back in the Black Forest. The name of this area is Schwarzwald. Actually, Black Forest is a big region. It is famous, popularly known as Black Forest, but the real name of the region is Baden-Württemberg. So let's take a look the beautiful hotel here. Yan ang mga hotel. So that is their traditional building of the Germany. So this is a hotel and restaurant. Hotel and restaurant. So guys, look at here. Gala-gala mode. So I'm again here in this church, this tower, and I will show you the name of the city, Schwarzwald. Look guys, Schwarzwald. Look at the running water, very clear and very clean. That is coming from the forest. So guys, ayan. Okay. Nine. So let's just take a walk, guys. Here. Look. Walking here. And I'm now again here in this church. Beautiful church. Look at here. Beautiful church. I missed to attend the church, guys, the mass, because it's still social distancing, so better not to go there. So I will be standing here so that you can see the other side of the Black Forest, and let's take a look there. Okay, let's move. So guys, I'm here again. Look at here. Yes. So let's come this way. There is, you see the water very clear and clean. Para siyang nasa Venice. Near the water, the buildings are behind the river. Maglalakad. I'm going up to the hill so that I will show you the beauty of the city overlooking, because the weather is good, so it's time to see the beautiful view when the weather is okay. So let's move up, guys. So let's move going up there. Tara, let's. So I hope, guys, you will stay and watch this video until the end, because it's good weather today. I'm going to show you the beauty of the Black Forest. Now it's shiny. It's sunny, I mean sunny. So let's pause and let's take the view. So down below is the highway. And guys, the other side here is the tunnel. You can see there down. That is the tunnel down. So dito na tayo. I'm already here. Let's go up. So Santa here. Very tired. So let's move. Going up there. Tara, let's. I-zoom natin, guys, para makita nyo ang kagandahan ng Black Forest. Let's take a look. So we will stop here. Oh, guys. So here, oh, guys, this one I told you before, this is the factory of the garments. So today is sunny, so it's good to see the view above the Black Forest. So this way, going up to the highest part of the Black Forest, and you can find the old fort and old castle. The old generation, the king and queen are living on the topmost of the castle. So guys, let's move. So I hope guys you will continue to watch this video until the end. So this is my virtual tour on the top of the Black Forest, so that you can see the beauty of the Black Forest on the top. So I will keep my camera here so that you can see the beauty of the nature. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this virtual tour right here from the Black Forest of Schwarzwald, Germany. So see you in my next vlog, and have a nice day. Keep safe and God bless everyone. See you in my next premiere. Bye bye. To be continued, guys. So walking muna tayo ng konti. So let's continue to walk. So we will go there and we will see what is in there. Oh. Look at the houses. Are all same same design, same structure, and also here. So papunta pa yan doon, guys. This way, guys, I will tell you, this road is going to Switzerland because Black Forest is the border of Switzerland. Okay, so from the Zurich city to the Black Forest, it takes 3 hours and a half. Since I am living in Switzerland, so I can drive here within 3 hours and a half. So I'll be here in the Black Forest. So hanggang doon yan, guys. So I will show you the other part of this residential houses next time in my next vlog. Until here, and auf Wiedersehen. So this is the overview of the Black Forest right here from above. Madalang lang dito na initan, so the sun comes out, it's seldom. That is why you see the other side of the forest is dark and the other side is clear, because there is no sunshine. That is why it is called the Black Forest, because the sun is coming very seldom, especially winter season. Kaya madilim ang kapaligiran, so the surroundings are black. That is why they call it the Black Forest, because everywhere is surrounded with high mountains and thick forest. Ciao, guys, dito na lang until here, and I'll be signing off, and God bless everyone. See you in my next vlog. Ciao.